Okay. We saw contact from blue to the arms, but we weren't sure if there was a big purchase or edge alignment, so no exchange.
No exchange.
All right. Fencers ready? Fence! Fight! Okay. Cut to the upper opening. Okay, yeah. Blue, cut to the upper opening with afterblow.
Blue, cut to the upper opening with afterblow.
All right, fencers ready? Fight!
Let's go.
Fight! Oh! And then there was a follow-up. So you're saying this was a clear. Fair enough. All right, blue, cut to the arm.
Blue, cut to arm.
All right, fencers ready? Fence! Yeah. Blue, thrust to arm.
Blue, thrust to arm.
All right, fencers ready? Fence! Oh! All right, fencers ready? Fence! Gold, cut to arm.
Gold, cut to arm.
All right, fencers ready? Fence! Oi! With afterblow? Okay. Blue, thrust to arm with afterblow.
Blue, thrust to arm with afterblow.
All right, fencers ready? Fence! Oh, hold. Make contact. Gold, cut to arm.
Gold, cut to arm.
All right, fencers ready? Fence! Oi! Gold, cut to arm.
Gold, cut to arm.
Fencers ready? Fence! Okay. Blue, cut to arm.
Blue, cut to arm. Match, blue.
All right, great.
On deck, Harriet and blue, red and gold.
You good? You good? Table's good?
Great.
Good? All right, let's fence. Push.
Oh, heavy ball.
Fight. You had better line? Oh, yeah. Okay, great. Gold, thrust to torso.
Gold, thrust torso.
Okay, they are declining the point. All right. Fencers ready. Fence. Hold. We can overrule self-calls. Do you want those points? Yeah, all right. You were calling this? Okay, good honor. All right, gold, cut to the upper opening. All right, fencers ready. Fence!
Keep it moving.
Match. Gold.
Gold. Gold, dark and blue. Alrighty, yo. Table good? Alright, Spencer ready. Spencer ready. Good. Spencer. Okay, I didn't have line on that, so it was kind of okay. Right. Gold, cut the torso with afterblow, right?
Gold. Cut the torso with afterblow.
Already, Spencer's ready. Set. Gold, thrust the torso.
Gold. Thrust the torso.
Alright, Spencer's ready. Set. Fine. Blue, cut the torso.
Blue. Cut the torso.
Audio, Spencer's ready. Set. Alright. Blue, cut the torso.
Blue. Cut the torso.
Alright, Spencer's ready. Set. Gold, cut to the upper opening.
Gold. Cut the upper
Just to the
opening.
upper opening. Alright, Spencer's ready. Set. Afterflow is flat. Yep. Alright, blue, cut to the torso. Sorry, that's what you call it, right? Cut the torso, okay, yeah.
Blue. Cut torso.
Alright, Spencer's ready. Cut! Gold, cut to arm.
Gold. Cut the arm.
Alright, Spencer's ready. Cut! Gold, cut the leg.
Gold. Cut the leg. Match. Gold. End the pool.
Okay.
Table ready?
I'm my friends ready. Chiyu and gold.
Ready?
In blue.
Fight!
Ready?
Blue's action is out of time. Gold, cut to the leg. Fight! Oh!
No, cut to arm. Afterblow. Blue, cut to arm. No afterblow. 2. On guard. On guard. Ready? Fence.
No agreement, no change. Fight! Oh! Gold is a miss, that means blue's thrust is good. Blue, thrust the torso.
Blue, repost. Cut to arm.
Fight!
2s. On guard. Ready?
Oh! No agreement. Fight! Oh!
Double.
Blue, thrust the arm with afterblow.
On guard. Ready? Fence.
Fight! arm with afterblow. Next.
Let's go.
Hold. Roll. Cut the leg. Fight. Hold.
Initial cut arrives over crossbar. Gold cut to arm.
Okay.
Time. Bell. Gold.
Either judgment and angle control releases away from the
Good, that's it. Make it hold.
Alright, therefore we're gonna call no exchange. Fight!
Come on, man. What's your legs?
Oh! Unclear on initial follow-up from FLUG is also deflected and flat. No scoring action, we're just gonna redo that whole exchange. Fight! Hold! Gold is buried, blue over top to the head. Blue, cut the head. Fight! Oh! Oh! Okay. The thrust from gold does not make full purchase if anything that is on the mask is short, scraping, and then deflected off, which makes the attack from blue after the scoring hit. Blue, cut to the upper opening. Smash blue.
Guard. Vance is on guard. Ready? Set.
Okay. We have 20 minutes on blue, landing to the arm.
On guard.
Oh, sorry, what?
Cut to the hand from blue.
Blue, cut to arm.
On guard. Ready. Fence. On guard. Fence. Blue, cut the arm.
Blue, cut the arm.
On guard. Fence. Are you saying cross? I thought, does the initial arrive and then cross? So does the initial arrive as what? Okay, so you were saying the middle of the thrust. Okay, I agree. 5. On guard. Thrust to torso.
Okay, blue thrust torso.
On guard. Ready? Fence.
Go, thrust the torso. We have 8 time, now we have go.
Halt. So, this does not arrive. Does the counterattack on this on the initial does not arrive. Does the initial counterattack arrive at the end? Okay, we're watching it out. Judge and director have no agreement. This is on guard. Ready? Fence.
Come on, man.
Halt. I see double. I see thrust and cut. Cut is in time. It's in flight when the thrust occurs. On guard.
First double.
Ready? Fence.
There we go.
to torso with afterblow.
Cut to arm. On guard. Ready, fence. Pull. Cut the right of the head. Afterblow is not in time. 8.
Blue cuts ahead.
On guard. Ready, fence.
Do not need to be taller.
Pull. Counterattack arrives as flat. Dual arrives. Cut the torso. 2. On guard. Ready, fence. Scoring action. Cut to hand from fencer blue. Director, very ready. Fencer, very ready. Green ballot.
Table, ready? Blue, ready. Gold, ready. Fence! Alright, splitting the difference between the calls into the lower exchange. That will be gold or blue, cut to arm.
People I lost to.
Fence!
I had Alex and
Oh! Gold is short, blue across the torso.
I really thought I had him.
Fight! Oh! Go! Press the head.
Yeah, no, I think I was fencing really
Fight!
happy with my fencing.
Oh!
There was a couple of times I stayed in measures this time. You know, I got Thompson.
Gold is parried, blue cuts the upper opening. Fight! Oh!
I didn't know I was going to be fencing. I was just tolerating the weight load.
Blue does make contact with the head, however, it is mostly parry, so we have no scoring action. Fence! Fight ball. Oh! Oh, cut the arm. Fence! Oh! Blue, cut the leg just above the foot. Watch the targeting. Match blue.
Folks at home, this is Hema.
Yes, I freaked the bracket.
Now,
Everything is an issue.
this is some good ass. This is some good ass fencing. Some good ass.
Some
fencing.
good ass longsword.
Some good ass longsword.
Alright!
You guys got it?
We got the Yangler with the tech. Yangler with the tech. All right. Yeah, Yangler. Here we go. He's Yangling. We're back. Liam Ecker against Moises Sanchez-Gallegos. I can't pronounce that. That was probably really
pretty good.
That was probably really racist. Probably really racist. Sorry. Okay. I am Filipino, so you know, can barely get there.
We get the pass.
We get the pass. Here we go. Two long boys at it again. Cut the hand. These are two very tall fencers, very lanky, very strong, but
And they're looking pretty bouncy too.
pretty bouncy. Moises, I would say,
Moises
is
trying to
A lot more precise.
Cut the upper opening.
Good attack from Moises.
Moises
To the pitcher.
Moises' strength is being extremely precise. There's not any wasted tempo, but Liam is too fast, too quick. Will he open?
Area post upper opening.
Deferring to lower targets. Blue, cut the arm.
Liam self calls.
Blue self-calling flat. Thank you very
He's
much.
self-calling.
Self-calling.
Disappointed in Liam. Liam has levied down. That was
I
not
think
flat.
Liam's letting himself get a little bit too pressure. I think he needs to meet a little bit closer in the middle of the ring. But we'll see
Oh,
what
double.
happens.
But would it be faulted because it was cut to
I
leg?
would probably get faulted.
I would
if
call
I
it
were
faulted.
Liam. Oh, Big Frank, he's discussing. I think he's gonna call faulted. Perhaps.
Mhm.
Bad news for Liam. We'll
All right.
see.
What does the boy Sawyer say? The star kid of China.
This laptop thing sounds like there's like
A chair. I noticed. I was about to comment that.
Blue going to the lower opening as the thrust is being presented to the mask. So that will be a double hit and then a faulted double against blue.
Yeah.
Liam losing a point, but that
Big
makes
Frank
sense.
catches it.
Big
Unfortunate for Liam.
Sean Magic with the eyes. Those glasses, I've heard rumors. He is 20/20 vision, but the glasses enhance it to a 40/40. Rumors.
It's the-
No, 40/40. It's back to normal vision.
It's the HEMA equivalent of gunner frames.
It's HEMA gunner frames. It sees doubles. Yes. All right, here we go. Hopping around, pulling back, but he's getting too much ground. He's back. Oh, but he eats the thrust to forehead.
I'm not sure.
Moises is covering very well while being aggressive.
Gold cut the arm with afterblow.
We're seeing Gold cut the arm.
I think it's gonna come down to if Liam can get around to the side.
I agree.
Moises on point is very intimidating.
It's very intimidating. Liam
Does
is
not have the beef to break through his last one.
beautiful cut the arm.
Beautiful distance.
Moises tries
The
a
thrust.
feint, but Liam does not bite.
Yes. Liam is spending too much time compounded within place. He needs to get around the long point.
He gets around, but the sword is waiting for him there.
Yeah. And contact from Liam, but not enough rotation.
Not enough rotation for points. It's okay. We're back and we're going with the thrust.
Right over the top.
But are they going to call it thrust? Will it be a
If
cut?
anything, it was at least a cut.
At least a cut.
Blue lands
And
the
no
attack.
quality.
Gold then has to free the sword and then
We are
attack,
saying
taking
no
it to
afterblow
action.
and no
Powered
double.
by Gold cut the upper opening.
We are getting Gold cut to upper opening.
Big Frank has spoken. It's all tied up 6-6.
Bring Frank with the words. Liam coming again.
He tries a
He does it again,
thrust
but-
there, but it doesn't
No,
land.
Liam comes in.
Contact that I saw on my side was whip over.
He was.
Action.
That's exactly
That's
the
a
good call.
good call.
I'm telling you, 40/40 vision. Bring Frank has it locked. Here's HEMA. Let's go. Liam's fencing for his life right now.
Moises
Moises with the parallel post. What?
he runs out, and I think Liam does get the sword offline. I don't think there is sufficient contact.
What
with-
is the call?
Liam, I think with the body void and the parry, he manages to escape the
Escapes the thrust.
As
It's pretty
Moises
close.
rings out.
Big Frank with the final words.
Disagreement between the judges. No exchange.
No,
The exchange is done. Understandable.
That was a tricky one.
Here we go. Cut to upper opening. But was it parry or post?
It looks like it is parried by Moises. But around him.
Liam is exhausted.
Liam is
Moises is looking a little bit susceptible to a hand snipe. Let's see if Liam can figure it out.
We need to know.
Needs more ring pressure, and then needs to take the hand on the retreat. That's his game plan.
Okay. We see the initial attack. There's a parry. Blue proceeds to go through the parry. The contact is light, but there is contact.
We're saying that
Also,
the angle of rotation
Blue
is good
pulling
enough.
force out of the strike at that time due to the jump.
So
the fact that
Liam
it goes
broke through the parry. That's what I
while
thought.
Blue is trying to arrest to not.
It was
hit
semi-shido.
excessive. That is a clean hit through the parry. However, there is a riposte on the afterblow.
We have Liam.
With afterblow.
Liam with an 8-6. Big Frank has spoken. And he figures it out. Oh, with afterblow. Almost there.
It's coming down to the wire.
6.
Almost the funny number. Just other directions. This is some good ass fencing.
Okay. Gold ready?
Liam has worked hard.
Moises tries
Liam
to-
has climbed the mountain.
Moises hasn't been as aggressive.
But we need to
these last
lock
few
in.
exchanges.
Liam has to relax. It's tied. 9-9. And exchanges. This is Hema. This is some good ass Hema.
And
Here we go.
Here.
Don't choke. Don't believe. Let's go.
Harry
We don't know if there's quality from either direction. The judges
didn't
are
look good to me.
conferring.
It looks like an understatement.
There's a parry intersecting both cuts. All right. Somewhat unclear. Here we do it.
Throwing it out. No exchange. Down to the wire. Liam and Moises. What's the play here? Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Why are you calling double? Why do you call it double?
He did get his hands up into the
The hunter was up.
Hangs on.
The hunter was enough. We need to lock in. Here we go. Post.
I think Liam eats it. I think he concedes. He eats the point.
The parry wasn't enough. But it was Moises who takes the goal.
beautiful fence.
Beautiful fence thing. Well, there's that. That is Hema. SpringSteel, Tier B 2026. Yangler, it was a pleasure having you on. Thank you so much for joining me on this.
This is what you guys are missing, not being here.
That's what you're missing. This is what you're missing. In fact, you are suffering listening to me rather than being here. That is your fault.
Signing out.
Signing out.
They need a camera on it. They didn't make time to all have suits.
Also,
Louis.
shots, records of the medieval sword.